everybody. This is Rick Prokop. Today we're going to discuss an easier way to remember the patterns of sharps. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, B sharp. And if you remember, the pattern is based on the roots of the scales, meaning the first note of each scale, which is going up in a pattern of fifths. And it was ascending fifths. C went up 5 to G, G went up 5 to D, etc., etc. So if that's the case with the roots of the scales, then every other step of the scale is going up in ascending fifths. And let me give you an example. The second note of C is D. If we go up 5 from D, D, E, F, G, A. And A is the second note of the G scale. We go up another 5, A goes up to an E, which is the second note of the D scale. So we can repeat this through the thirds, the fourths, the fifths, the sixths, and finally we get to the seventh step of the scale. Well, the seventh note of the C scale is a B, and it goes up 5. Just like the roots did. So the B goes up 5 to an F sharp. Well, the roots went up 5, C to G. So that's how we get a pattern of ascending fifths in the sharp key signature of F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, B sharp. Here's another way of visualizing the pattern of ascending sharps in the sharp key signature with 7 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, B sharp. And we can do that by drawing what's known as a grand staff, where the whole range of the treble clef and the bass clef come into play now. And we begin with our first sharp, F sharp. We're writing it way down here because I want you to see the progression of ascending fifths. We go up 5 from F to C. That's our first two sharps. F sharp, C sharp, we go up 5 to G. That's our third sharp. We go up another 5. Now we go over the hump and we're in the treble clef on D. We bypassed middle C. So far I have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, D sharp. And we continue on up. Another 5 brings us to A sharp. And another 5 up brings us to E sharp. And the last one brings us up to, watch this, E, F, G, ledger line A, and then up to B, which is above the ledger line, B sharp. So this is A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. So the order of sharps is F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, B sharp. Let's get rid of the sharps. F, C, G, D, A, E, B. That's what we really want to know. We want to know that root, and then we can just attach the sharp symbol to it. So here's a quickie way of doing it. We're at the keyboard. Here's your F. We go up 5, F to C. We come down 4 to G. We have F, C, G. We go up 5 to D. All right, now we come down 4 to A, and we go up 5 to E. And we come back down 4 to B. So as a recap, we have F, go up 5, C, go down 4, G, go up 5, D, go down 4, A, go up 5, E, come down 4, B. F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Now it's really easy. Just visualize this. F, C, G, D, A, E, B. F, C, G, D, A, E, B. And it's that simple. And then just attach your sharps. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, B sharp.